This is a story about a horse. And its journey in getting a new coat. The horse in question lives right outside the museum gift shop. Though it lacks the traditional hooves and hair, the museum's horse makes up for that in terms of its round metallic nature and its vertical airlift potential. In fact, the museum's horse isn't really a horse at all. It's a helicopter. The Sikorsky S-55 horse, also known as the Iron Chicken, sits at just over 4 meters tall and 12 meters long. When it was in the air, it could reach speeds of up to 180 kilometers per hour and had a rate of climb of 277 meters per minute. Due to its current location, cozied up next to the main hangar, its 16-meter diameter propellers have had to be put into storage. Even without its wings, it is nevertheless recognizable as an iconic aviation design statement and a turning point in helicopter history. What looks like the round nose of the machine actually hides the engine. The cockpit is built right on top of it instead of directly behind, which gives that much more room in the cabin of the aircraft. This extra room was one of the reasons it was built in the first place. The horse was originally constructed during the late 1940s. And the whole process, from design to tester, took less than a year to undertake. Not only was it able to carry up to 900 kilograms, it was also designed to be extremely easy to take care of. For instance, the doors on the nose were constructed specifically to open fully on ground level, granting complete engine access. As a result of this, a complete engine change would only take about 2 hours, start to finish. The body of the aircraft is made from a composite aluminum magnesium semi-monocoque construction. Semi-monocoque means that the shell of the fuselage is going to be reinforced strength-wise by other components, such as stringers, which are long tubes of metal placed along the interior. This combination means that the helicopter is relatively lightweight and very strong. Other aspects of this helicopter design included its all-metal propellers, its hydraulic main rotor servers, and the offset hinges on the main rotor. All of these features combined to make something that would eventually become the world's first certified transport helicopter, with a design construction that would continue to be echoed in the models that came after. Extremely versatile in its carrying capabilities, horse helicopters have carried everything from wounded soldiers to construction supplies. The horse that's on display outside the museum was received as part of a trade agreement with Buffalo Airways in 1990. After experiencing over 30 years of cowgirl weather, it doesn't look half bad. The combination of snow, rain, hail, and sun can wreak havoc on painted metal, but luckily, the museum has a plan in place. The horse is getting a new coat of paint. If you're interested in helping with the upcoming revitalization project, follow the link below. Thank you for joining the museum in our feature on the horse, part 1 of 2. We'll see you next time.